sleeve and I have my runner's belt on. If you guys haven't... Hi cheekies, good afternoon. It is 1:30 and I just had my last class of the day because we are on a block schedule for finals, and I figured I would just check in vlog here instead of when I get home. I try to mix it up a little bit instead of always being at home when I start my vlog. So I just wanted to intro it while I was at my desk. I woke up so late this morning, hence why I have my glasses on. Anytime I have glasses on, it's either allergy season, which isn't right now, or I woke up super late. So that is why I have my glasses on, but I'm just checking in with you guys whenever I get home. It is actually fairly nice out, but if we look outside, it is so nice out and the temperature feels so good. So definitely going on a run when I get home. Not gonna talk myself out of it, and it'll be a really good day in my life. I'm probably gonna put together some more Christmas stuff and we'll be all good. Also, I've not taken my braids out all day, and look at how like fuzzy they're getting. I feel like I should take them out so my hair doesn't get tangled, but they're also kind of cute. Oh, I also got my first little Christmas present today from my friend Brooke. Brooke, if you're watching this, love ya. I gave her Christmas present too. Probably just show you guys when I get home what I got because it's super cute. But one of the things she got me is the Ole Henriksen, or Henriksen. I don't know how you say it. I've been meaning to try that lip peptide because I've heard it's like the bomb.com, like better than all of the mainstream ones. So really excited to try that. I'll show you guys what I got when I get home. Just wanted to go ahead and check in with you guys. Okay, Pooks, it is 4:30. I just got home and I'm prepping to go on my run. So bad thing about coming home is like I still had some things I needed to do before tomorrow because it is finals week for my students. So I had to email some people back and just get some things squared away that I really needed to like do before I worried about anything else. Behind yet again, but you know what? Still home at a decent time. So I'm going to go ahead and get dressed for my run. I already have leggings on and it's almost 50 degrees out today. So all I really have to do is put a nice little top on, but we're gonna get out there and we're gonna get this run started. Guys, here's the run fit, just my Asics Nova Blast. I can't even remember which ones these are. Nike sleeve, and I have my runner's belt on. I just have this tucked right now because I'm gonna go downstairs and stretch and I have to get my key out of here, but little running fit-a-roo. I hope I get a good couple miles in. I need it. I really need it. Okay, that was a wonderful run. Got 3.5 miles in. Gonna spray my face spray on. If you guys haven't used this before, I think Alexa told me about that. I can't remember, but really good. It's basically antibacterial, helps when you're outside, and I live by a really gross river that smells, so I feel like I need that.
It's a river.
River's gross, fam.
It's not that bad.
It's pretty gross. I didn't want to show you this till the meat was cooked because sometimes I think raw meat just looks like really gross. This is just all the stuff we put in what our taco bowls would be. So I'm making the rice in my rice cooker, excuse the dirty stove. And then this is just ground lean beef with pinto beans, black beans, corn, and then like green chilies and tomatoes chopped up in there. So good, very filling, and I just put all the seasonings like taco seasoning, chili seasoning. I do lime juice, like a fresh lime in there. Super good. It makes a really good amount. So I use the full can of everything. I use the full 2 pounds of beef. If you guys are just making this honestly like for yourself, I wouldn't make this much. But considering I will take this for lunch tomorrow, this will be dinner tonight, and then Andrew will definitely eat like multiple helpings of this. This only lasts a few days for us, but it's super cheap, super easy. Okay, I know the lighting's kind of crazy right now, but what I'll literally do is just take a tortilla and I will sit here with this like a bowl. I didn't put any cheese, I didn't put salsa, I literally just put lime juice, and then the rest of the dressing from my Southwest salad wrap. So this is gonna be so good. Again, I always try to keep myself fed and all that good stuff before it gets to like 8:30, 9 o'clock, because I just hate eating that late. It almost always hurts my stomach. And plus I love having my tea, and I feel like it's kind of hard to settle down and get ready for bed if I'm having tea like as soon as I need to sleep, because I wear a retainer every night. So I have to make sure that, you know, I have my teeth brushed and stuff. But I'm gonna sit here and I'm gonna eat this, and I literally just tear off little pieces and like wrap it up and eat it. And I'm gonna catch up on my favorite vloggers for Vlogmas, and then I will see you guys when it's shower time.